And this is how you can conquer the vertical Larks knot in just minutes. Nicole here, and welcome to BOCHIKNOT Macrame, the channel where you will find all things macrame related. And in this tutorial we will be expanding on our macrame knots and knot pattern series with a very popular knot called the vertical Lark's head knot. So this is a variation of the mounting knot, the most popular mounting knot, the Lark's head knot. To make the vertical Lark's head knot is tricky at first because you don't know which way the cords are going. I know it took me a few times practicing this knot before I got the hang of it. The Lark's head knot is a knot that you would use to mount the cord to another object, and the vertical Lark's head knot, as the name indicates, is how you weave the knot into a vertical pattern. I will show you step by step how to make the vertical Lark's head knot, but also continue making it into a chain. And then I'll show you how to make the same thing on the other side. If you guys are interested in learning more knots and knot patterns, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button to stay tuned for our latest tutorials. And with that said, let's get right into it. To demonstrate the vertical Lark's head knot, I've attached one strand of cord at 200 centimeters long onto the dowel with a regular Lark's head knot. We're going to start with the right side first, so taking the right cord as the working cord and the left cord as the anchor cord, we're going to take the right cord over the left cord through the loop underneath, and then pull on the cord end to tighten. And then taking the same right working cord, go underneath to the left this time, and then through the top and through the loop. Then pull on the cord to tighten. Once you're done, you should see a sideways Lark's head knot, which kind of matches the Lark's head knot up at the top, except that one is horizontal. So now we're going to repeat that once more below. You can continue on making several vertical Lark's head knots underneath to form a chain pattern if you'd like. We can just make a few more underneath, and I'll show you what the chain pattern looks like if you make consecutive vertical Lark's head knots. Once done, this is what the pattern should look like. If you turn to the side of the pattern on the right side, you'll see some zigzag back and forth. And then on the back side, it should look like a sideways Lark's head knot pattern as well. And now I'm going to demonstrate the vertical Lark's head knot on the left side now. So we're going to switch sides using the far left cord as the working cord, go over and through the left side, then go underneath this time and through the top through the same loop. Then pull on to tighten, and then now you see that the sideways vertical Lark's head knot is facing the left. And you can repeat a few more times below. If you want one vertical Lark's head knot, you just stop after the first one, but if you want to turn it into a chain, like I've done here, you can continue on making continuous vertical Lark's head knots. And that concludes the vertical Lark's head knot tutorial. I hope that by running through the process slower, you are able to grasp how to make it. It really does take some practice to make sure the cords are going in the correct direction. But with a little bit of practice, I'm sure you will get there eventually. If you guys are interested in some beginner-friendly macrame resources, we do have a free downloadable 50 Knots in Sentence ebook on BOCHIKNOT.com. So if you guys are interested in having that by your side as you learn macrame, you can go ahead and download that there. Let me know in the comment section below if there are other knots or knot patterns you want to see more of. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.